Alright, so guess where we're at? Universal Studios. Yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Wake up, the world is smiling. Got the sun on my side today. Nothing can stop me shining. Feeling lucky in a big way. Soaking up every moment.
Hi.
Throw a cherry on your Sunday.
That was it?
Hands in the
Now
sky.
where are you going?
Yeah,
I thought you wanted to be in it.
Life is better on the bright side. I got a pocket full of sunshine. I see it all in a new light. Life is better on the bright side.
Yeah.
I looked at every single cookbook you got up there. I looked at that one with what's the name on the front?
I feel like you're there. Even the tree.
I'm in Harry Potter heaven. Oh man, this is awesome. Harry Potter heaven. Look at the train. Yo, there's the castle. Look what I have. I got a wand because I'm magic. So this is our Airbnb, and it comes with the basketball hoop, so that's really cool. I was beating up these little kids playing. I whooped on them, and it also comes with a playground that Penelope loves. She can't stay away from the swing. It's crazy. Every single time we're here, it's just, I want to swing. Look at her. taking a video of Penelope. Hello.